Serious concerns have emerged over the state of waste management at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jnims in Imphal. Allegations suggest that improper disposal of biomedical and hospital waste is threatening public health. If left unaddressed, this failure in waste handling could turn a life-saving institution into a source of serious disease. We now bring you an exclusive ground report from our chief reporter, Khetrimayum Premchand.
Disturbing scenes have emerged from Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences or Jnims, located at Porompat in Imphal East District. Solid waste and remnants have been found piled up within the campus of the state's prominent medical institution, which operates under the Directorate of Health Services Manipur. What's even more concerning is that several of these waste materials, including what appears to be biomedical waste, are being buried inside the soil right inside the hospital premises. Sources indicate that instead of proper disposal, efforts are underway to cover these hazardous materials after letting them accumulate for days. Central Pollution Control Board under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has laid down clear rules for disposal of biomedical waste. Under the Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016, waste must be carefully sorted and stored in color-coded bins: yellow for infectious waste, red for contaminated plastics, blue for glass, white for syringes and needles, and green for general waste. Each type of waste has its own method of safe disposal. But when these rules are ignored and solid biomedical and general waste are piled up together or trying to bury, it can become a breeding ground for diseases. On the other hand, colored bins meant to separate hazardous materials are being dumped in an area near the morgue inside Jnims complex, right next to Modern College, causing inconvenience to the staffs and students of the college. Adding to the concern, the hospital lacks proper fencing. As a result, cattle frequently enter the area feeding on biomedical waste, posing serious public health risks.
Gaming Martin Warapong Kokse, AJC, Modern College, fourth semester, PSC, Physics Honors Doctorate. I know Zig Legery, Mafamasi, Modern College, Mesogi Matakani, Mafamasida, Heck Tanabasida, Jnims Lomdegi, Pati Ponti Mayama, Dukuna, Tame, Masi Hauna Libra, Masida, Apona, Tauribasi, Wigi, Mesida, Mes Holasida, Wigi Saba Takpa, Amama, Iluza Matazaba, Satrazina, Poly Mamsi, the Patauti Mam, make Matai, Madi. Biodegradable mayamsina patauti pusalakul marmoraga koi kaino tawang amdre aduna masi mari lenaba authority na yeng tabiraga athu matamda sigi thabakse lepiyu aduga akoi student union gi site gi ju kariguma thabakse lokhan biraktraba targadi akoi akan khongdeng changsing jagani haibo wafamde thamsage
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯃꯣꯗꯔꯟ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯖꯦꯅꯤꯝꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯅ ꯚꯦꯇꯤꯅꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯅꯝ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯕꯣꯠ ꯑꯀꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯝ ꯀꯩꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯁꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯗꯔꯟ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯀꯨꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯖꯦꯅꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯄꯤꯁꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯗꯔꯟ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯖꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ.
Speaking to SKTV News, Jnims authorities have admitted that they are struggling due to severe financial constraints, leading to difficulties in disposal of solid waste from the institute as well as the hospital. They also admitted that errors were made in waste segregation as issues are being faced due to lack of proper supply of color-coded bins. SKTV News, while visiting the hospital, found biomedical waste improperly managed. Yellow bin bags were seen covering green and red beans, making it hard to distinguish between biomedical and general waste. Waste piles were left near patient wards, raising serious health concerns. However, Jennings authorities have mentioned that efforts are being made to look into the matter soon. On the other hand, when SKTV News contacted officials of Directorate of Health Services Manipur, they assured that the issue will be addressed after holding discussions with Jennings authority. Proper biomedical waste management is critical. If neglected, it can pose serious health hazards, not just for patients but for staff and the general public. The current situation at Jnims highlights alarming consequences of underfunding essential public health institutions. If immediate intervention is not taken, Jnims risks turning from a life-saving institution into a danger zone.